here. Thank you. Hello everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aldis. Today we're gonna play around again with makeup. I am trying to recreate Cate Blanchett makeup at Ocean 11. I don't know. I went to Halloooo masterclass last year and very fortunate that I can meet lovely Miss Morak Ross, and she taught us to do her makeup look on Cate Blanchett. So I'm trying to recreate what she does for Cate Blanchett on the movie. Without any further ado, let's jump up into the makeup. I discovered Halloooo's skincare range from the event. I used this light solution lotion to prep my skin. This is basically a toner but thicker than normal toner. What I like to do is just to pat it on my face. I believe this method will enhance the absorption. I will start my base using the Light Wonder from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm in an 8 medium shade. I want to achieve the idea of your skin but better. Then just buff in all over my face with Halloooo Dual Foundation brush and drag it down to the neck. Still at the complexion, I am using Halloooo Extra Rich Glow Foundation. I really like this foundation because the texture that Halloooo have is on my preference. It's creamy without feeling that you wore too much makeup. I have 203 shade, which is still too light for me, so I will be using this to highlight the center of my face. This kind of jar thing is unpractical in my opinion. Spread it around my nose, a little bit on my forehead, my cheek regions and chin. Unfortunately, this is a discontinued product from Tom Ford, but basically this is a cream highlighter. I got this trick from Miss Ross to brighten up the under eyes and will look very natural even in real life. Move to the eyes. I will use palette from Maybelline. It's called the Nudes. With this palette, I pretty much got all the color that I need for this look. Also suits my skin tone. Start to powder my eyelids to prime my eyes. Taking this light shimmery brown from the last line across the eyelid, then blend it out to the socket line. Bring it down to the lower lash line and blend underneath, using darker brown color for the crease. Take your time to blend to build up the color from light to dark. I will use this navy blue eyeliner from Topshop for my waterline. On the masterclass, Miss Rose used dark navy eyeliner from Halloooo. It was very extremely dark navy, more like black, but different. That is why I will combine this eyeliner with black eyeshadow. Blend it all, touching up with clean brush. Time to curl my lashes with my dearest lash curler from Halloooo. Then lots of mascara, the one I'm using from Maybelline. I tried to turn it down my brow tone, brush it down first to paint it the brow with brow mascara from NYX, then brush it up. Just fill the gap with pencil. Time for cheek. I blush my cheek with matte powder blush from Topshop. Lastly for lips, I just tap it the lipstick from Pat McGrath because you don't need much. Then finish it up with lip gloss on top. So this is the final look. I never ever had wig for entire of my life, and this is the first time I am wear them. So I don't know if I'm doing a good job over here, but yeah, trying to make this look really look like Cate Blanchett. So here we go. I literally just using one palette over here. I nailed it, I think. What do you think? I think I'm doing a good job to get out from my comfort zone using a dark color. I feel like more powerful with this type of look. It's amazing how makeup can change your mood, isn't it? It's a very simple makeup. It's very easy. I'm sure you guys can do it. Just use whatever products that you already have it at home. Yeah, don't feel intimidating and or you feel like you have to have a product that I use. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye. This is. Ooh.